Many people ask this question, oh, I'm not flexible, can I practice yoga? The more the reason for you to start practicing yoga if you are not flexible, right? The moment you start losing your flexibility is the moment you start becoming old. So in order to stay young, it's better to start practicing yoga. And then nobody can be flexible except for children. The moment you are older, you become a teenager and you become an adult, you will lose your flexibility because we don't do a lot of things that children do naturally. So start practicing yoga and gradually your flexibility will come back. That's the idea of doing yoga, right? Not everyone can be like a gymnast. A gymnast is a person who's extra flexible. And in yoga, we don't ask everyone to be flexible like a gymnast. Just practice yoga and gradually the flexibility that you need, you will acquire, and you will find that your body is not old anymore. It functions like a young person's body.